Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Um, Buckle is how I want. I made some more of those things put on the side. Right now, I'm gonna make some balls to put in between here, design balls. So I'm using this, the rest of that, and I'm just gonna make them all one size and then melt them to balls. So I need 7 on each side. Um, they'll be all the same size. I have a little gadget where you can make design balls, and I'll show you in a little bit when I'm about to do it. But right now, I'm just cutting all these to make it the same size. So yes, it takes a while to make um, something you like, especially coming up with the design. And it's funny how things work when you work silversmithing, because a lot of things they just land perfect on their own, and while designing and stamping, it's just like it was made for it. I have no idea how that always happens, but yep. So you guys see me from start to finish, and I'm almost finished. And the last piece will be putting the back ends to the buckle. And my store down here was closed, so I got to get that tomorrow. So right now we're just gonna put everything together, have this buckle done, and wait for the back ends. And then we can finish it off, making it black and then shining it up, buffing it, and you'll see the finished product. Like and subscribe my videos, and for you guys, like the more subscribers I get, and I'll put out more videos of other things that I'll be doing and making, and press that like them too, and get me more subscribers so I can make more videos for you guys and other stuff. And um, yeah, and if you want to see me make something, maybe you can. Maybe I'll read a comment and make something that somebody wants to see, or how it's done, and I can show you a way, the way I'll do it. And everybody's different how they work with silver, so it's not usually all the same, same silver. So and this is how the buckle is look so far. So that's all the pieces that you guys see me make in the beginning. They're still gonna be design balls, and I'm not done yet. But this is the outcome of how it's looking. So right now I'm just making these design balls. Uh, so we'll be melting these into little balls. They're all cut the same size. That way, they all look the same size. And you can make it. You can make anything you want. Just put your mind to it. It's all about what's in your head and how it's gonna come out and the size, and as you're going, everything will come together itself, and you'll be amazed. Like I said, I started a while back, so years ago when I was a teenager. I started from my mom. She was doing silversmithing, and she taught me how to. She's the one that taught me silversmithing slowly. How you do this, how you do this. You can solder this, solder that, cut this, cut that, this much, this much. Yeah. And as you're doing that, you learn tricks, and she showed me a lot of tricks on how to do certain things a way and a faster way. Believe it or not, they still come in handy. Certain things I learned, like the leaves on here, she inspired me to do it, so I learned off of her. The flowers I learned off of her. The bezeling, twist wire, just about everything. The soldering, making these balls, and buying design. How to make a design ball? You gotta buy a certain tool, a stamp tool, and yep, and that's what I learned from there. And I did make quite a few squash blossoms, cluster bracelets, cluster rings, cluster earrings, necklaces. We made quite a few things, and I just never got a chance to post them. I mean, not post them. I never got a chance to make a video of them because I didn't really think of YouTube that way. But now I see that you don't see any of this, like how it's made. People just short pause it and they get to like, yeah, that's how you do that, boom, boom, and that's it. You don't see the rest. You don't see how it's made. And I'm here to show you how it's made. From finish to start, and that's how I'm gonna make these balls. They're all like that. So, and then I'm gonna melt them, and we'll go from designing from there. So let's get to that. And I got a certain board for melting these, making balls. But remember, wear your eye protection. So let's get to soldering. Not soldering. Making these balls. That's it. And I just usually put it together. A water bottle like this. Put a hole on top. That's it. Just push it in there. Take them off. Oh, still kind of hot. This brazing board I have, this is like a rock. I use this for balls only. Only balls. I don't solder on it or nothing. Maybe I did it before, but I'm not sure. Okay, that's how it turned out. Those are the balls. Right there. It's good design and here's how you make designing balls. These are designs in them. I bought these for like 80 bucks each. Found almost $90 each. little designs in them. See them? Just put your balls in there and pick one and they'll design it for you. So that one will go for, there's a flower, so we'll go for, do this one right here. This one. Or this one. This one will be better. Just put it in there. Lay down. Grab your ball. Put it on. I'm using this to flat to hit it and just pop it out. Usually I use what is it? Pop it out. And that's how they come out. Come on, focus. It's not focusing. There you go. I'm gonna do them all like that. Just put it in there and then put this on top and just hit it. Pick it up. Put it down, put the next one down, hit it. Down. Next one. Up. Down. Same process over and over. When we finish them, I'll get back to you. Okay, last one. So I made about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's go see if you can see that now. Okay, see if you can see it. See? Design builds. All the way. And we just put them in here. What do we want? So we can. I was thinking there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Oh. Okay. Maybe we'll put some more. Few more. You can hear all the ants. There. What do you guys think? Very cool. Let's go put it together. Let's go solder it. Alright, thank you for watching. That's almost start to finish. I'll see you on the next one.